Hey there guys, in this video let's see the random module in Python. So in simple I can say the random module prints out random numbers. So I have already written a blog post on the random module and this blog post will be in the description box below, do check it out. So I have already written the source code for random module, so how to use it. So I'll just copy this and paste it in Tony IDE and I will explain you what is happening. So as I said, the random module is built-in module in the Python. So what you need to do is just import random, just enter import random, and then what I entered is I have entered a variable. So let's go with list2. So list2 is a variable. So I'm entering a variable which is equal to, and I'm entering some numbers. So I have entered 1 2 3 4 5 6 and I have given print random.choice. So you can use whatever functions you want. So you can mix any function with the random module. So I have given the functions you can mix with the random module. So these are the functions which you can mix with the random module. So the random.choice, which will select random numbers from the list. So I will just enter the variable over here. So it is var. So the variable name is var. So I will just print it out. So now it has print out a random number from the list. So let's run the program again, and now it has print 4. So basically the random module just prints out random numbers, and the dot choice, it is a function which combines with the random module and selects the random numbers. So with the random module you can use all these functions. So do check the blog post and try it out with your IDEs. So that's it about the random module, guys. I hope this video helped you a lot. So make sure you give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video, guys.